For business leaders and HR professionals in New York, there is a new state mandate to help your employees save for their future. It's the New York State Secure Choice Savings Program. Navigating new compliance laws can feel overwhelming, but at GTM Payroll and HR, we're here to break it down for you. Today we'll cover exactly what this program is, who it affects, and the benefits it offers to both you and your employees. So what is the Secure Choice Savings Program? Simply put, it is a state-designed auto-enrollment retirement program. It's meant to close the retirement savings gap for private sector employees who don't currently have access to a workplace plan. The mandate requires your participation if your business meets 3 criteria. First, you had 10 or more employees in New York during the previous calendar year. Second, you've been in business for at least 2 years. And third, you do not currently offer a qualified retirement plan, like a 401k or simple IRA. If your business qualifies, you must register for the program or certify your exemption if you already offer a qualified retirement plan. But here is the good news. The process is designed to be simple. Eligible employees are automatically enrolled at a default contribution rate of 3% of their gross pay, which is contributed directly to a post-tax retirement plan via payroll deduction. The program is completely voluntary for employees. They can change their contribution rate or opt out entirely at any time. Plus, the account is fully portable, meaning it stays with them even if they change jobs. For employers, the state has intentionally limited your liability and administrative burden. There are 0 employer fees to facilitate the program. You are not required or even allowed to make matching contributions, and you carry no fiduciary responsibility for the investments. However, compliance is mandatory. The 2026 registration deadlines roll out based on company size, with all eligible employers enrolled or having claimed their exemption by July 15th. Whether you need to seamlessly integrate Secure Choice payroll deductions, or you're considering setting up your own company-sponsored 401k to gain a competitive edge in hiring, GTM Payroll and HR is here to help. We offer retirement plans with pre-tax contribution options, as well as higher employee contribution limits and a wider variety of investment funds than the state plan. Visit us at gtm.com or contact our team today to ensure your business remains compliant and your employees' futures remain secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more HR and payroll updates.